Look at this transition from physical ink to digital code. Every day, you sit in class and take notes. By typing those notes and formatting them correctly, you can turn a daily academic chore into an automated income stream. Our objective is to build a complete, ready-to-sell study guide and push it live to a marketplace, while safely navigating strict academic integrity rules. For this, you need a laptop, a standard word processor, and a large capacity lecture course. You are already doing the studying required to pass the class. This workflow simply captures that exact effort and turns you into a producer of digital assets. First, we select the right course. Look for 100-level classes like Intro to Psychology or Biology. High enrollment guarantees a large base of potential buyers. Target courses that use a standardized national textbook. This ensures students at other universities learn the exact same curriculum, vastly expanding your market. This side-by-side comparison shows exactly what buyers expect. On the left is a raw, handwritten notebook. On the right is a structured digital document. To pass a marketplace review, your document needs 3 specific formatting elements: bullet points for main concepts, bold text for key vocabulary, and clear page numbers. Sloppy handwriting or cell phone scans of notebook pages have zero market value. Buyers will only pay premium prices for clean, searchable PDFs. Digitizing your notes takes an item you would normally throw away after finals and converts it into a product that can be sold an infinite number of times. Before uploading anything, we have to clear the main failure point, triggering academic dishonesty flags during the marketplace review. The rule is strict. You have full rights to sell your own original summaries of a concept, but you have zero rights to sell your professor's intellectual property. Look at these 2 icons. The one on the left represents your professor's slide deck. The right represents your original summary sheet. If you include direct copies of lecture slides, the platform will ban your account. You can only upload your own synthesized notes. Do an independent read-through of your document. Scan specifically for any paragraphs or graphics you pasted directly from the course materials and delete them. Sanitizing the document of copyrighted material protects your account and keeps your passive income flowing without interruption. Next, we upload the document to a specialized distribution channel, like StudySoup or Nexus Notes. Create your seller account. You must enter your exact university name and the specific course code so the platform knows where to route matching buyers. When you upload your first sample page, you will see this pending review status on your dashboard. The platform's team manually checks your formatting and accuracy before approving you as a seller. Once approved, you need to name your file. The listing title dictates whether other students will actually find your work in the search bar. A generic title like Economics Notes gets buried. An optimized title like 2025 Semester 1 Macroeconomics, 50 pages, A+ student, ranks at the top of the search results. Next, we set the price. If it is too expensive, students will click away. If it is too cheap, you leave money on the table. This slider graphic shows our target range. We set the price in the optimal conversion zone, between $5 and $15. When a purchase happens, the transaction is split, routing 50 to 70. You can double your revenue by taking your digital asset back into the physical world. 2 days before the midterm, print 20 copies of your best summary pages. Walk into the study lounges where students are cramming and offer the hard copies for $5 cash or Venmo. By leveraging automated digital distribution nationwide and direct physical sales locally, you extract the maximum financial return from the studying you already had to do.
I am Fiana and you are watching the Roadmap channel. Don't forget to subscribe and like. See you soon.